Okay, let's draw a cylinder. So to draw a cylinder you need to start a new sketch. This button in the toolbar will start a new sketch. Now it's asking you which plane do you want to start the sketch on. It says 3 planes. I'm happy to start it on the bottom one, so I'll click that one. Now the tool we're going to select in this sketch is obviously a circle tool, center diameter circle, and we can click once to start the circle, then we can drag it out to our size, which is going to be pretty hard to get 100 by dragging. So what we can simply do is type 100, and if I press enter it'll lock that size. Enter again, that actually finishes drawing that shape, and it should be highlighted. We can click stop sketch now. There's 2 places we can click it, here or here. Stop sketch. Mouse wheel will zoom in or out. Middle button can pan side to side. Holding down shift while you pan will orbit. Or we could use the view cube and we can drag corners or faces around to get it looking the way we want. If you get lost, click the home button and it'll bring it back to a standard view. Okay, now we're going to make a cylinder, so we click extrude, or we could, notice there's an E there, we could hit E on the keyboard, but I'll simply click. It's asking us what profile do we want to extrude, and what distance, etc. There's some other operations there, but so we're simply going to click on the profile. Notice that it highlights. Click. Now it's asking in which direction, up or down, do you want to extrude. Notice if we go under, it's a negative number. If we're above the plane, it's a positive number. And again, we could drag to the size that we want, or we could simply type. So it's 100 high. Press enter, and that completes the cylinder. And you would then click save, and it's asking you where you want to save it. These locations are all here in the browser on the left. So at the moment, master means it's in the root folder. If I wanted to, for instance, put it in miscellaneous, I would double click there. That places it within that folder. And of course there's folders underneath that, or you could create a new folder, but I'll simply put it in, actually just going to put it back into the master. Click save, and you should see it, if I did the right thing, appear here. Whenever that wheel's spinning, it's uploading, because everything gets saved to the cloud. So yeah, don't exit the program while that's spinning.